Well, if you can't sit in the middle, you can't sit in the middle. So you need a girl in there with you.
Does he help out?
Someday you'll look at this and say, oh, honey, if you'd only been there then.
Uh-huh. Although it didn't turn right very well.
That's because you don't have a girl in there with you.
Can you turn it right for me?
Vicky's up on the deck. Let's see if I can see her through the cracks. She's somewhere up there. I don't see her anywhere. She didn't come down. Looks like fun. He didn't blow away. Oh, he's getting braver now. Oh, I see Vicky. Hi, Vicky. Vicky. You can't hear me. I don't want to call all the neighbors out. I see you through the cracks. Yep. Hey, good. Reach down and grab him. You know, that would be real easy and you could go real fast if you didn't have this wind blowing. You can go anywhere you want then. That's what I mean, the wind blow you away. Where? I don't see them. In another boat? Oh, that's a little old fishing boat, Cody. He's all right. He'll go around you. Oh. Yeah, I got him a while ago. They're fishing out there. Okay, I'm turning off your aqua adventure.
Okay.
I forget what you say to a sailor as they go away.
Bon voyage.
Bon voyage, Captain Cody.